Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to our channel Indian World. My name is Nitesh Yadav. Today in this session we will discuss about a milestone which is achieved by our great nation India. We are take oath in under government of Narendra Modi to achieve the defense export of 5 billion US dollar till 2025. Our defense manufacturing company made various type of the items related to defense manufacturing. India is the topmost nation in the world which is import the most weapon from the various nations of the world. India import his approx 60 to 70% of defense equipment from the Russia and rest of the weapons from USA, Israel and other nations. We are a importers nation regarding the defense equipment. We have the third largest defense budget in the world of the 70 billion US dollar after USA and China. We import drone, helicopter, gun, defense system like S-400 and various other items because we have to need of this type of the equipments, basically advanced defense system, attack system to counter the Pakistani insurgency and China's offensive diplomacy on the northern and eastern border of India. We have fought four wars with Pakistan in 1948, 1965, 1971 and 1999 respectively and fought one war with China in 1962 when we lose the territory of Eastern Ladakh. Now we have understood the necessity of strong army, navy, air force. So we are bound to purchase the advanced defense system and offensive system. Because when we will make the defense equipment in our nation, the employment is the byproduct of the program of this program. Now we all know that unemployment is also a major problem of India. We are more reliable on indigenously made weapons. Indian government made deal with other defense companies of other nations to manufacture the defense equipment in India and make sure to provide all the important assets to these companies. And now we are making various type of the missiles because we have the advanced technology of the missile system because of honorable president missile man APJ Abdul Kalam Saab, and we are making BrahMos missile system which is a hypersonic cruise missile system and export to the Philippines. Egypt want to purchase our indigenously made Tejas a fighter aircraft which is made by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Now we are coming on the today's topic Prachand light combat helicopter. It is a attack as well as defensive helicopter. It is made by our native company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. The name Prachand it is related to our Indian culture and which means fires or destroyer. This indigenously made helicopter destroy the enemy's defense system within 1 minute. It is not caught by radar system. It has the various uses like operation in counter insurgency and rescue operations. 15 helicopter has been made by HAL in which 10 helicopter given to the Indian Air Force and 5 helicopter has been given to the Indian Army. This is very strategic helicopter. So now what the need of the of this type of the helicopter, and when we are fighting the war of Kargil in 1999, the Indian forces feel the necessity of this type of the helicopter. When enemy sit on the top of the hill and our soldiers going upward from the ground, then we faces the many loss of our brave soldiers lives. And if Indian forces have this type helicopter, we attack them directly from air to air and destroy their post on the top of the hill. After the war, Indian forces suggested and government of India gave the order to HAL to made this type of the attack helicopter which operate in the summer of Rajasthan and winter of the Siachen glacier successfully. Now we are talking about the capability of light combat helicopter Prachand. So we will discuss one by one. And first capability of this LCH is this is the first light combat helicopter in the world which can land or take off from the altitude of 5000 meter. This is because and We share the border with China and Pakistan in northern sector is very high altitude, so we operate easily this area. And HAL Hindustan Aeronautic Limited made this light compact helicopter capable to land and take off from very high altitude. The second capability of this light compact helicopter is that Prachand has two engine. That the name of the engine is Shakti engine, and the total weight of Prachand when it carrying the warhead is approx 5.8 ton. These two engine are gives the more power and make capable to operate in high altitude and operate for a long duration of time. Next one is that it is not detected by the enemy's radar. It has the stealth system which betrayed the radar. It has the quick response system and the missile system which destroyed the radar system within very short of time. This type of advanced technology make it very decisive for the enemy. It act like a defense system. Also, Prachand detect the missile aircraft which is coming toward itself because of advanced radar system. It will destroy it with its missiles, and it has crash resistant landing gear. Give it a added edge for better survivability. Now we are coming on the fifth capability, and about we are talking about fifth capability of LCH, that the maximum speed of this LCH is 260 km per hour, and range of this LCH is 550 km, and durability of flight is approx 3 hour. It has a unique type of pressurized cabin which protect the pilot from the chemical, biological and nuclear contingencies. Basically, LCH Prachand has two pilot seat. One of them ride the Prachand, and second one is gunner and handle the LMG machine guns, etc. I have already discussed about the radar system of the LCH and how it protects external attack of missile, rocket. It has a radar system which detect all the things which is coming toward it, and Prachand destroyed them in the air before reaching to it. Now, if we discuss about the warhead of Prachand, then it carries 70 mm, 20 mm turret gun and air-to-air missile system. Helena, basically helicopter version of Nag missile, will be used in this helicopter, which is already tested. Okay, so today in this video we discussed defense sector, budget defense and export, defense export and LCH Prachand and its capability. So in the end of the video, I would like to tell you, if you find this video informative, then subscribe our YouTube channel and share it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.